Hello everyone, welcome to my vlog. Presenting my brother Wow Wow Rose Windmill in Canipayan, Santa Barbara, Iloilo. So the main purpose of this windmill is to convert wind energy into electrical energy and primarily for pumping of groundwater. So as you can see, he did this for income generating purposes, practical. So it's good guys, kay may ara siya sang talent, a skill, makahimo siya sang sarili niya. So primarily from scraps without too much cost or cost effective. May ara na siya ang mga vegetable garden nga ginabaligya. So my brother mahilig na siya maghimo sa mga innovations, machines from scraps. May ara na siya 5 pieces chicken skewers from drum with duha ng kaputos nga uling, mapaluto niya ang 5 kabilog nga big or litson. And then may ara man da siya nga nahuman nga daan nga washing machine, kin-convert niya sa for dressed chicken. So hindi na siya mabudlayan mag-dress ang mga manok niya nga for baligya, for selling. Kay ihulog niya lang na sa washing machine. Pagka few minutes, limpyo na ang manok for packing na lang. So isa man ini ka nahimo niya nga dream come true. Purely from scraps. So ara na makita niyo na gasako na ang buyong sang iyang windmill. So pagpagros ang hangin, dako man ang ibwal sang tubig. Dako gid nga bulig sa iya nga agricultural farming. May mga tanom na siya kag may ginkot-kot na siya nga tubig, bubon. Ang ginatawag nga tasok. So I'm very proud of him. We will call it Wow Wow Rose Windmill or wind pumps, used to bring up the water to the field, to the ranches. So it's a great job. Good job, Rose.
Wow Wow Windmill. Hindi pa guys masyado malakas ang hangin eh. Malakas ang hangin guys, malakas din ang tubig na lumalabas. Yan.
So this is a mill or machine operated by the wind, meaning windmill, usually acting on oblique vanes, sails that radiate a horizontal shaft, especially this is wind controllable. The advantage of this is clean, sustainable, and abundant. It does not contaminate, inexhaustible, and reduces the use of fossil fuels. So wala contamination sa paligid. Cost-effective siya. Cost-effective kay wala ka man si bakal dira. It only needs winds to work. Not the most aesthetic. Hindi siya beautiful or hindi siya appealing. Pero nahuman siyang makaobra siya. So pangamuyoon na lang may hangin ng right? Malayo sa pamalay. Kay ara gani sa tunga sang talam. Hope it is of efficient use of substantial enough to water those vegetables around and animal raising as well, thereby augment income for them. So this must be worthy of sharing to everyone out there, farmers, to do the same. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Hanggang sa muli. Salamat sing madamo.